Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to properly connect or integrate your Shiprocket account over to Shopify or your Shopify store. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and throughout this video, I'll be walking you guys through the steps from installation, into integrating the two platforms, as well as how to use it from scratch. So be sure to watch till the end, and yeah, with that said, let's get into the video. So to actually do this, like I said, is very simple. And assuming that you guys are already logged into your Shopify account and you're on the dashboard, you want to navigate to the Apps tab, which is found on the left-hand side of the screen. So either here, or you can click on the search bar and just type down Apps. So the idea here is we're trying to get access to the Shopify store. And the Shopify store will actually pull up all of the compatible apps that we can add to our online store. So we're going to click on Add Apps, click on Shopify App Store, and from here, if you don't see Shiprocket right away as an option, you guys can click on the search bar like so and type down Shiprocket. So this will pull up all of the compatible results depending on what we want to use it for. So as you can see, okay, so here's Shiprocket. However, I don't believe this one is compatible. This version is compatible with our Shopify, but either way, let's use it. So normally you guys would have the option to install this without any hassle, but because I'm using a trial account, I don't have the option to install this app. Because what would happen is once you're on their store page, you should have the option to install it, and what's going to happen is Shiprocket, or I should say Shopify, will redirect you to Shiprocket's homepage where you'll be signing up for an account or signing in if you already have an account. And to do so, just click on install and give it permission to integrate to your Shopify account, and once you have all of that set up and you follow the on-screen instructions, you guys should be good to go. Now you guys can do drop shipping products from India and adding it to your online store over at Shopify. So yeah, that's how you guys do it. So hopefully this video helped you guys out, and thank you all for watching this video. We'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.